Okay, so we're given a function here. This is the function. And they say a and b are constants. It says given the first two terms in the ascending powers of x in the series of the expansion of this thing are 128 and 36x. Find the values of a and b. Okay, so what I want to do is go through it, but it's not, it's a ninth degree binomial, so it looks like it might be a tough expansion, but let's write this down, okay? So when I do that, I'm going to write down a plus bx, and this is f of x, and then I'm going to start writing this down. And certainly, I got to get the first, let's go for the first three terms. So it's going to be, 9, 9, which is equal to 1. That's good. I'm doing the coefficient now. 9, 8, which is 9, and then 9, 7. A little more complicated. So it's 9 factorial, 7 factorial, 2 factorial. Well, what would that be? Let's write this down. So it's going to be 9 times 8 times 7 factorial, 7 factorial, 2 factorial, which is 2. 7's cancel. 2 goes in 8 4 times, so 36. So I think I write this down. So it's going to be 1 times, that's going to be 2 to the 9th power now. And then plus 9 times 2 to the 8th power times, let's see what you're going to get there. You're going to get x over 16, right? And then what are you going to get? You're going to get plus, let's see, 36 times 2 to the 7th times x over 16 squared. And this goes yada, yada, yada. All right. Oh, you know what? It's minus. I'm sorry about that. I get my eraser out, and we'll start doing it. It's busy work, isn't it? Let's write this down. So what do you get? A plus bx, 2 to the 9th is 512. Next thing is going to be minus, and that's going to be more difficult, isn't it? So it's 9 times 2 to the 8th. 16 is going to be 2 to the 4, right? So it's going to be 16 times 9, all right? 9 times 16 is 144. Let's do the next one. That's going to be plus. That's going to be more difficult, isn't it? 36 times 2 to the 7th. And the bottom is going to be 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8th. And that's going to be what? Let's see, 2 on the bottom. And 2 goes into 36 18 times. And this goes on. All right. Now I'm going to multiply that out. And what do you get? You get 512a minus 144ax plus 18 ax squared plus yada, yada, yada. Let's do the bx now. What are you going to get there? Plus 512bx, and then what are you going to get? Minus 144 bx squared. All right, and it goes on. It's a problem. It goes on. So let's write this down. So you get 512a plus 512b minus 144x plus 18a minus 144b x squared. And this goes on, all right? On and on and on and on. I even forgot what you said. Let's take a look at this. They said the first term is 128 and then 36x. So I think I went too far, didn't I? So 512a is equal to 128. So a is 128 over 512. And 128 goes into 512 4 times. So a is 1/4. I found A. Let's go for the B. I don't know what B is yet, right? Let's put that one down. Oh, you know what? I noticed a mistake over it's A. Just notice that. So 5112b minus, well, 4 goes into 144 36 times, because A is 1/4. And that's times x. And what's that going to be? Can't remember. Oh, 36. So you get 512b equals 72, or b is equal to 72 over 512. I got to reduce that, don't I? Let's see, I'll do it by 2 first. So 36, 256. Let me divide by 2 again. And you get 18. 128. Divide by 2 again, 9 over 64. So B is going to be 9 over 64. Let's take a look. Got this, we got this, and we're done. Thank you.